Laying on my bedroom floor, staring up at the ceiling. You got me paralyzed. No, not a single medication could kill all this pain I'm feeling.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel and to today's video, which, as you can see by the title, in today's video we're going to be doing a Balenciaga Track 1 versus Balenciaga Track 2 outfit challenge. Before we get into it, a huge thank you for all the feedback on my previous video. You guys seem to really enjoy it, which is sick. And also a big thank you for 14k. Honestly, guys, the continued support that you give me is absolutely, like, it's insane. And obviously I really appreciate it, but I also want to say that there is some big things coming. So just, I guess, stay with me and let's kind of ride this journey together. Right, before we jump into some insane Balenciaga Track outfit B-roll, I'd really appreciate it if you guys pause this video right now, go down below and absolutely smash that thumbs up button. And if you are new to the channel from this video, be sure to hit subscribe as well for more men's fashion content every single week. So, like I said, today's video is an outfit challenge with a little bit of a twist. We have the Balenciaga Track V1s versus the Balenciaga Track V2s. Which are going to come out on top, you're going to decide. So once the video's over, you guys are going to let me know in the comment section down below which outfit is your favorite. Is it outfit number 1 or is it outfit number 2? Also, make sure you watch the video the whole way through because I'm going to do like a little bit of, I guess, an outfit breakdown. Basically, I'm just quickly going to talk about each piece from each outfit. So watch the video the whole way through. Let me know in the comments which is your favorite outfit. It's about to be a big one. Let's jump in to outfit number 1.
Laying on my bedroom floor, staring up at the ceiling. You got me paralyzed. No, not a single medication could kill all this pain I'm feeling. I'm barely getting by. So I get a little drunk and I text you, baby, wondering if you're home, 'cause I need someone right now. And I'm a little numb from the love you gave me. I've been sleeping alone, can't get you off my mind. Just let me hold you tight until we fade away, fade away. Just let me love you like we'll never fade away, fade away. Just let me hold you.
Alright guys, so that is outfit number 1. So to break the fit down, on foot we have the Balenciaga Track V2s in this kind of like beige, white and black colorway. Moving up from there, we have the Summit washed black sweatshorts. These are probably my favorite piece that Summit have dropped to date. Yeah. And then up from there, but actually sticking with Summit, we have this plain white boxy fitting t-shirt. And then to finish the outfit off, we have this kind of like stone slash light beige overshirt that I've recently picked up from COS. And honestly, this shirt is potentially my favorite pickup over the past kind of like couple of months. So that is the breakdown of outfit number 1. Let's take a look at outfit number 2. Right guys, so that is outfit number 2. You all know sometimes I just kind of like to mix it up a little bit, and that was one of my more kind of like grandpa vibes, and I absolutely love it. So to break the fit down, on foot we have the all white Balenciaga Track V1s. Moving up from there, we have these COS wide leg trousers in this kind of like beige / stony colorway, and honestly these are probably my all-time favorite trousers. Like the fit, it's insane. And then moving up from there, we have another of my favorite recent pickups, and this is this oversized fitting polo t-shirt, and this is from Arket, and it's in this kind of like beautiful washed out like khaki colorway. This is honestly such a nice piece, and as soon as I seen it, I kind of envisioned how I would kind of like to style it. So that's what I've done, and for reference, I actually got this in a size large, and I am 5'11", but everything will be linked in the description down below. So if there's anything that you do kind of like in today's video, throughout the whole outfit, I'll make sure it's all linked in the description down below. And there we have it guys, that is 2 different outfits and the breakdown of the pieces. So definitely let me know in the comment section down below which outfit takes the dub. Is it outfit number 1 or is it outfit number 2? Also, if you only had one choice, which are you going for? Are you going for the Balenciaga Track V1s, or are you going for the Balenciaga Track V2s? Let me know. Before we go, I'd really appreciate it if you guys could hop on over to my Instagram and give me a follow over there. I'm super active every single day, and it kind of gives you guys the opportunity to kind of keep up with me on a daily basis, and also get some like behind the scenes looks into me kind of creating these videos. So if that's something that you want to see, then hop over to my Instagram. It's linked here. It's also linked in the description down below. It's at I'm Nath Griff. Go and give me a follow. But that's it for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, as always, please give it a big thumbs up. Hit subscribe if you're new. Drop a comment down below. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram. It's basically a daily vlog, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.